Hello dear students, today in this part let's have some fun with some shapes. In this part we will learn about quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? It's a polygon which has four sides. So we can say that four-sided polygons are called quadrilaterals. Let's have fun with some types of quadrilaterals. First one is rectangle. Look, here is a picture of rectangle. Rectangle is smiling because we know each other. Here you can see four angles and four sides. What is the measurement of each of its angles? All four angles are of 90 degree. All four angles are right angle. Now we can say that in a rectangle, opposite sides are of equal length. Here you can see this and this one are opposite sides, and this one. We have two pairs of opposite sides with equal length. If we draw a diagonal, what is a diagonal? If we connect two opposite angles, we get diagonals. Diagonal 1. Can you draw another diagonal? Yes, from here to here. The length of both the diagonals will be same. So we got the property of rectangle. Opposite sides are of equal length. It has four angles. All the angles are right angle. And the length of the diagonals will be same. Now next, let's learn about square. Square is also smiling because we are friends. We know each other. How many angles are there in square? 4. What is the measurement of each of its angles? Obviously 90 degree right angle. All four sides are equal, and we get two diagonals in this shape, and the length of the diagonals will be same because all four sides are same. Next is parallelogram. Here is a figure. Parallelogram is not smiling at us because this shape is not giving smile because हम नहीं पहचानते इसको. In parallelogram, opposite sides are of equal length. This and this. This and this one. Opposite sides are parallel and of equal length. Parallel means like a railway track. सीधी जाएंगी. Are the diagonals equal? No. If we draw diagonals and if we measure it, the diagonals will not be of equal length, same length. Got it? Now next is rhombus. Like a diamond. Very easy. You can find out the property of rhombus. Sides are equal. Then what about the angles? They are not a right angle. And the diagonals will be of different length, not the same. Next is trapezium. Here is the figure of trapezium. Observe the figure and find out the property of trapezium. I am telling you one property. Opposite sides are parallel. Here if you can see this and this one, these are opposite sides. They are parallel, like a railway track. You can find out other properties. What about the angles, diagonals? Now let's solve exercise 5.7 after having fun with different shapes. Say whether these sentences are true or false. Each angle of a rectangle is a right angle. Yes. The opposite sides of a rectangle are equal in length. This sentence is also right. If you observe rectangle, the opposite sides are equal in length. The diagonals of a square are perpendicular to one another. Yes, if you draw a square, diagonals are perpendicular. They make 90-degree angle. All the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. Yes, all the sides of a rhombus are of equal length. Remember diamond. E. All the sides of a parallelogram are of equal length. No, we cannot say that all the sides of parallelogram is of equal length. In parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. The opposite sides of trapezium are parallel. In trapezium, we have only one pair of parallel lines. So this sentence is false. Question 2. Give reason for the following. A square can be thought of a special rectangle. Yes, a rectangle with all sides equal becomes a square. In this way, you can write the reasons for the following sentences. Question 3. A figure is said to be regular if its sides are equal in length and angles are equal in measure. Can you identify the regular quadrilateral? Which figure, which shape has all four sides equal or four angles of equal degrees and equal measurement and both the diagonals are of same length? Can you tell me the shape? Yes, it's a square. Very easy exercise. Before solving this exercise, draw all these figures and label them in your notebook and then solve exercise 5.7.